Hey everybody, we're here at Pipestone National Monument. Let's go on a hike. Alright, so we're here at Pipestone. Just started. Beautiful creek. You're gonna see some waterfall on this later. This is a very short hike. It's only about just under a mile long. This is a pipestone quarry here where the Native Americans have used to get stone for their ceremonial pipes. And over the centuries, I guess, of their mining, they throw the rubble here. And so this is a big mound of rubble. It's just all from hand. All carved from hand. And I guess the Native Americans still quarry stone here to this day. Here's Lake Hiawatha and some gorgeous falls down here. I'm not sure, I can't really figure this out. Maybe someone can post in the comments. I'm not sure if it's called pipestone because Indians made pipes out of it, or is it a certain kind of stone called pipestone? I seem to refer to it in both ways. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Alright, so here's something pretty cool. It's a rock from the very first explorers, J.N. Nicolet. The first government explorer came here, it was 1838. And he inscribed his name here at the quarry after discovering it. Inscribed his name and then moved on. It was a government funded expedition to map the country back in 1838. Pretty cool. Alright, I don't know if I'm right or not. It says the old stone face. Do you see it? Do you see it? I think it's that guy right there. Maybe? Oh, what do you think? Look at this cool spot. I don't know if I can make it up this without my spikes on. I do not have them on currently. Very carefully. Okay. Awesome. Look at that. Minnewisha Falls. Ladies and gentlemen, Minnewisha Falls. I really want to see that big chunk of ice fall. Oh, we better move on. So I think it is more about what the Indians were using them for, because it's called quartzite. And this is the type of rock that they're looking for, this red, bright red colored stone. Alright folks, we're back at the parking lot. There's a little overlook here, overlooking the prairie. Check it out as I recap. But apparently this land is sacred to the Native Americans, not only for the Pipestone, but also the prairie. They lived on it for hundreds of years, and it is sacred to them. And they still come here on a yearly basis to, as a pilgrimage, to reconnect with the land. And so that's why it's a national monument, to protect it and preserve it for the Native Americans to use for generations to come. But it was gorgeous. This is a long grass prairie. It's, you know, a little early in the season yet, but I can see a pheasant out there. Probably can't see that on camera, but yeah, it was a great day. Check me out next week on Happy Trails Backpacking.